Good afternoon, teacher. Grading report. 1. Tyler of the reading the Hughes house. Author Bram Stoker. 2. A reading test of lesson saying oral. What did you learn from this one? Well, this type of stories does not live and listen. They are very simple because a boy wants to study and found I was there hooks for looking for a bit of tranquility. 3. Sitting where the reading takes place. Venture, I was unmarking too. 4. My character gives a brief description of his character. You know, a student was preparing for an exam and looking for bits of me. Mr. Dexter, a chief sailor, nice and eager to please her new master. Mr. Wolf, the landlady of the hotel. The Hughes thought meant the who arrived thought came from the boy. Dr. Thornhill, with her, Mr. Moore, Wolf, O'Toole, Will, what the lift and the house. 5. Plot. Write a summary about the history. The history consisted of a boy who was studying for final exam he had. He wanted to feel comfortable in an quiet place and with house near. He decided to move to a city where the will study better there. Where he arrived at the Hughes house after the was warned by Mr. Wolf and Mr. Dexter, but they were always aware on him. He only took of his study and tranquilized that the arrival of the Hughes house were found their hooks for wanting to be alone and kind for his examination, regardless of the police or what it could happen to you. 6. Do you like the reading we were with? No? I don't like the truth. They are sad story because it lets a reflection is that we live ourselves be guided by people others are important. 7. On a scala of the 1 words to 10 best, where would you arrive this book with? I leave it a scale of 6 because I always take common time. I don't know like the type of story he can be excellent writing, but the story does not catch my attention. 8. Writing and listening the new vocabulary and expression that you liner up less 15. The landlady events it is the Howman's Rod who gets condemned alert. Hated story John books her 509 Len nervous drive. Thank you, teacher.